Hi and welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you how you can add an email to your Twitch account. So let's start our video. First, open Twitch application on your device. Once you do so, tap on your profile. Once you tap on your profile, then go to account settings. So once you're here, then tap on security and privacy. Once you tap here, you will find the email option here. Tap on it. And here you can enter your email address which you want to add. So guys, once you enter your email address, all you need to do is to tap on submit and they will send a verification code to your email. You need to enter that code here. So first go to the inbox of your email and find that code there, copy it and paste it here. So once you enter the code that you have received, all you need to do is to tap on submit. And as you can see, your email has been verified. So guys, this is how you can add email address to your Twitch account. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.